Welcome back to Tried and Tested Kitchen. Today's something a little bit different, so we are making different kinds of vegetable fries. Going straight into our recipes, we have crispy carrot fries from actually the website is onmyveggies.com, but it says it's actually from Martha Stewart's Vegetables, so I'm assuming they've stolen the recipe from elsewhere. Then we have zucchini fries, which are obviously actually courgette fries. That's from a sweet peach EF. I don't know what EF stands for, but oh well. Then we have eggplant aubergine fries from thekitchen.com. And finally, we're doing spicy roasted Daikon radish French fries. That's from Cooking on the Weekends. That's because when we made sushi, we had to buy a giant Daikon, which we didn't actually eat or use. So this is our way of using it up. So that's everything. Okay, I'd just like to point out, am I being stupid or is this really confusing? So, cut the Daikon into sections approximately 3 inches long, which I've done. I don't know what 3 inches is, but I've just guessed. Then cut about 1/4 inch slices off the side of each one to make a base. Stand the sections on their bases and cut them vertically into slices. Stand these slices on top of each other and then cut them into sticks. Like, what are you talking about? So I'm going to ignore this because I've no clue what this person is on, and I'm just going to cut what look to me like chip shapes. So this was very speedy, the Daikon fries. I've coated them with a mix of soy sauce, chili paste, ginger paste, a little bit of sugar, a little bit of salt, and some oil. We're going to wait till we've prepped all 4 of our fries before we put them in the oven. I've cut my courgette into fry-like slices. I've got some egg wash, and then this mix is chickpea flour, ground almonds, parmesan, basil, what else have we got in there? Oregano and thyme. So after it's gone in the egg wash, I'm going to roll them around in there so they have a nice coating. Bit of a weird situation going on here. So apparently I need to get the baking tray, put the baking parchment on, then put a cooling rack over the top. Obviously this is much bigger than the tray, so I'm going to put it in the oven like that anyway. We don't know if it's like to get a kind of grilled effect, or we don't know why it is. But yeah, that's how I'm putting it in the oven, because I don't have a wire rack that is smaller than the baking tray. You can see where I got bored with the last zucchini fries, because we have these ones here that have their sort of batter coating, and then you've got like this one which just has a lump of stodge on it, because I got frustrated that the batter was sticking more so to my hands than the actual fries, so I just chopped all the egg in, and that completely ruined my last attempts. But we've got some that are coated properly, like this one, so yeah, just ignore the ones like that are a bit ridiculous. What's stupid?
So it says to dip 1 eggplant fry into the egg white and put it in to coat. So put it in this bag full of breadcrumbs and parmesan. But like, surely you can just pour this egg white into here, like mix it up and then put everything in.
That makes...
Right?
Like, this seems more sensible.
This seems so like laborious.
So 3 out of 3 recipes so far we've got issues with. Just things that either don't make sense or just seem a bit weird. Like, why would you use an... Look, we've got to wash up that bowl now. That's extra washing up. Who wants that?
So now I've just got to shake this, and then it coats all the eggplant. And then I just put it on the baking sheet. So I'm doing the crispy carrot fries now, and I mean, I know it's obvious that you have to cut the carrots, but it doesn't even say to do that, and I don't know how thick I should cut them or anything, so I'm just going with the flow and using my own instinct. Here I've got the carrot fries, so I've just coated them in cheese, olive oil and pepper. And now I'm going to put them on baking sheets and bake them. here are all our fries ready to be put in the oven. I've got the zucchini one. This one has a dip to go with it. What kind of dip was it?
Something yogurt. I think it's like a ranch dip, but like yogurt and herbs.
Yep. And then carrot fries, daikon fries, eggplant fries. This one has a dip as well. It's yogurt based. And we'll update you when they come out. Here I've got the 2 dips. This one is for the eggplant fries. This one is for the zucchini fries. They are both yogurt based. This one's got garlic powder, parsley, thyme, salt and pepper. And for the zucchini fries dip, I've got shallots, vinegar powder, garlic powder, sorry, green onion, dill, coconut sugar, salt and pepper. We have our fries ready. There's the aubergine fries with parmesan and breadcrumbs coating. This is the daikon fries.
I've just noticed some of it's hairy. We've got hairy daikon.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Oh no, wait, it's not. I don't know what that is.
Zucchini fries with dip. This dip is for the aubergine one. And carrots. I mean, it looks so little, but we've got more in the oven. Okay, which one are you most excited by? Yeah.
I'm kind of intrigued by the daikon because it looks like it's a type of radish and it actually looks the most like potato.
Yeah.
Flavour wise, I think the carrot should be good. Not sure about the other two. What do you think?
I'm really excited to try the zucchini one just because I like zucchini. I do like aubergine as well. It's one of my favourites. But I don't like it when it's really like rubbery and not soft. And I feel like this is not going to be soft.
Yeah.
Because I usually have to. It takes quite a long time to cook, and you have to do like you have to treat it. And yeah, this is just it even looks hard at the moment.
It doesn't look that. I feel like it's not going to have much flavour, but we'll see.
Yeah. Which one do you want to try first?
Aubergine or courgette?
Okay, aubergine. Just get it over with.
Choose a decent looking piece, like decently coated.
Okay, this is not.
Does this one have a... Oh, is that the sauce?
Yeah. Zucchini?
Yeah.
Get one that is coated.
Yeah, not the ones that I just put a bit of sludge on.
I know you won't like this.
I feel like the texture's changed completely. It's very stodgy.
I like it. I like the taste. But Mary, you don't like the wateriness, do you?
I'm not offended by it. I would eat those. I would eat the whole bowl.
Yeah. I think they're good.
Again, they're actually better than I thought they'd be.
They're not crispy though. Like, it's soft.
Like I said, it was just so... yeah. And also, doing the batter was really difficult. Like, it just was sticking to my hands.
Next one. Carrots.
Yeah, carrots.
Okay. Ooh. The one I picked is, I thought was crispy, but they're not. I mean, I'm just eating roasted carrots.
Yeah. I don't know what's chippy about it. I actually prefer the aubergine and the courgette to that.
This one I just put olive oil, salt, pepper. Is that it? I feel like that's it.
Did it not have some kind of spice?
I don't think so. I feel
Well,
like I might have put something in.
It's
but
a bit
like,
dead.
Yeah.
Like, again, I could eat a bowl. If I wanted to be healthier, I mean, I wouldn't go out of my way to make them again, but if they were there and I didn't want to eat chips, I would happily eat those with my dinner, but they wouldn't do anything exciting for me.
No, they're just roasted carrots to me.
Yeah, but
like thinner.
Thin roasted carrots, which aren't as satisfying anyway.
Okay, last one's the daikon one.
This daikon is going to stay in my head forever. Like, I'm just never going to be able to hear the word daikon without thinking of... I don't know what piece to get. Oh, she's eating it.
Ugh. It's spicy. I quite like this.
Yeah. Oh. It's weird. It's very different. Like the texture is still quite hard. I think I'm gonna have to have another one. It is very spicy.
Yeah.
I mean, not too spicy for me, but...
This is good, actually. I like it.
Oh, I just had a really soggy one, but in a nice way.
Does it taste like turnip? With spices?
I don't think I've ever had turnip.
What is it called when that vegetable with roasted, like roast dinner? The white...
Parsnip.
Oh, parsnip. Yeah, does it taste like that?
No, parsnips are the god of all vegetables, and no, nothing will ever taste like a parsnip other than a parsnip. Not even a celeriac will taste like a parsnip. But it's nice.
It kind of feels like that though. She's passionate about it.
Yeah.
The dip though, like I mean these two kind of
I
taste
preferred
the
that
same.
one. I think that one had more garlic in it.
Oh yeah, definitely. Pleasantly surprised about the
Yes, buy a daikon and don't use it for sushi, just don't even bother, but make some daikon fries because they're actually quite satisfying.
Yeah. So for me, daikon and then zucchini, aubergine.
Yeah, mine's exactly the same. But I like it when I don't mind if things aren't that impressive, but I like it when I'm surprised, and I think we've both been surprised. As we were making these, we were literally just like, why are we doing this? Like, none of this is going to work. They're all going to be like soggy or dry.
Exactly. But they turned out, like, it doesn't look
Oh, it looks
nice.
gross.
Yeah, but the taste is quite nice, I think.
I think the daikon fries are the only ones I'd make again, but I'm quite pleasantly surprised that there actually is one that I'd make again.
Yeah.
Especially because we were so desperate to get rid of that bloody vegetable that was just sitting in the fridge, and we were like...
We made a video just to get rid of the daikon fries.
The only reason we've done this video is because we needed to get rid of that daikon.
Yeah, basically.
And then we're going to go buy another one and make them all again. So, yeah, this is probably a really quick video because
there's not much
barely
to
had
it.
to do anything.
Yeah.
But,
we hope you enjoy this video. And
make daikon fries.
yeah, for sure. Thank you.
Adios.